Remove empty strings from a list of strings. I want to remove all empty strings from a list of strings in Python. My idea looks like this. Is there any more Pythonic way to do this?
I would use filter. Python 3 returns an iterator from filter, so should be wrapped in a call to list.
Using a list comprehension is the most Pythonic way. If the list must be modified in place, because there are other references which must see the updated data, then use a slice assignment.
Filter actually has a special option for this. It will filter out all elements that evaluate to false. No need to use an actual callable here such as bool, len and so on. It's equally fast as map bool.
Compare time. Notice that filter none, LSTR, does not remove empty strings with a space comma, only prunes away, while .join LSTR.split removes both. To use filter with white space strings removed, it takes a lot more time.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.